All right, listen up everyone, because this is big. For years, many of you have been part of the Pi network, tapping a button on your phone, patiently accumulating something called PiCoin. It's been a journey of faith, a digital experiment happening right in your pocket. But there has always been a question mark, a what next, hanging in the air. Well, today, on the 8th of August 2025, that question gets a brilliant, straightforward answer. This isn't just another update. It's a fundamental shift in how you can interact with the digital currency you've been helping to build. This is the moment things get real, and I want to make sure you understand exactly what it means for you and your money. The news is this: you can now buy PiCoin directly within your Pi wallet using your own money. Yes, you heard that right. Pounds, euros, dollars, the cash you have in your bank account can now be used to purchase PiCoin instantly. This is a massive leap forward. It bridges the gap between the traditional financial world you know and the new, exciting world of digital currency. Before this, getting hold of PiCoin beyond what you mined was a complex, often confusing process. Now it's being made as simple as buying something online, and that accessibility is what truly matters.